Hello friends, today we are making Tangy Chilly Pineapple Rasam. This is an amazingly delicious recipe. I just finished having it and I cannot tell you how sumptuous it is. Our dear chef Gunj has made it from scratch. She has not used any market rasam powder. You can choose to have it as a soup or combine it with rice to have it as a proper meal. It is very rich in protein because it includes pulses. So try out this recipe guys, you will definitely love it now that it's getting into the second half of the year and the weather is starting to get little chilly. It is a perfect thing to have every day as a part of your regular diet. So do try it out, let us know how it works for you. If you do try it out, please leave your comment as to how you liked it in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for being a loyal viewer. Take care and see you guys next week. Bye-bye.